Productions back at Jimmy's Garage. Today we have a 99 Camaro SS 6-speed manual, LS1, heavily modified. Everything is touched, every performance product. Stage 3, Brian Tooley Racing cam, ported 243 heads, fast 102R intake, 102 throttle body, long tube headers, full tubular suspension, built rear end, 315 slicks, Apple CarPlay, everything on this car is touched, twin disc clutch. You guys are gonna get a ride along today. We'll start out with the cold start, baby.
Pretty serious unit.
Oh, yeah. Just like the Model A video, I'm driving this 6-speed man barefoot. I got a lot of heat on it in the Model A video. Why are you driving barefoot?
All the haters are gonna hate.
We gotta let it warm up a little bit before we can really hand it itself. It's also for sale, chat. First 15,000 can take it home.
Don't sleep on that deal.
71,000 original miles, 6-speed manual, C28, 500 horsepower, over 25,000 invested.
It's got the valved exhaust.
Yeah, electronic cutouts.
Borla.
Yeah. HID headlights. It's got Apple CarPlay.
Airbag, forget about it.
Right. It's got all Rockford Fosgate door speakers.
This thing will easily do the dash.
Oh, yeah.
White leather interior, if you can't see.
Right.
New convertible top comes with it.
Correct.
This thing rips, dude.